let's start with the next topic. Start with the filter options. Have you completed this filter option or not?
No, sir.
Okay, let's go with the option that is the stylize option. Okay, here we have the stylize option. Just click on this and there are different properties available there. First one, blend effect. Second, trace and counter, tiles, solarize, find edges, and extrude and emboss and diffuse. So firstly, just go with the diffuse option. Just click on diffuse. And here we can just see there, the pixel will automatically reduce by using this. Just see there. Firstly, just increase this picture or zoom in. You will get there is a the pixel is also merged with the another one and it will deflected the normal pixel like this. And click on OK, you will get these types of effect. When you just press Alt plus F again or Control plus F again, you will get these types of effect and it is visible with your image. Just see there. When we zoom it, you can observe.
Yes, sir.
Control plus F, you can observe these types of effect. Okay. So when we maximize this, then we can get these types of effect. Okay. So we can observe this particular effect when we just zoom in. Clear? That one, first one is that is the diffuse effect.
Yes, sir.
Just next one, just go with the emboss tool. Just click on emboss. Here, just see there. The ridges is appearing here, not the other things. So you can adjust the property or height of the ridges. Just click here and you just increase the height of the ridges like this and just click on OK. And you can also set the amount as you want. And after that, just place on, click on OK. And here we set the direction of this particular effect like this. And click on OK like this. And click on OK. Just see there. Here you get the effect like this. This is the overprint of the particular image and it is look like a 3D outline or trace of the image. Okay. So that is the use of which option? Emboss option. Okay. It will just embossing the particular image or highlight the edges into 3D format like this. Okay. The depth is also showing here like this by using which option? By using which option? That is emboss option, right? So here we use emboss option. Next one, just click on stylize, and here we have the next effect, that is the extrude effect. Just click on this, and here we have the two properties. That is a block like extrude, or you want to just pyramid like extrude. You can go with anyone. Just click on pyramid and just click on OK. Just see there is a pyramid like structures coming like that. It is coming like appearing the pyramid structures. Okay, if you take a look in front of the text, then you can go with the. If you take the look in front of the or above the particular image, you will get these types of effect, right? So this is about of which option? That is the use of pyramid effect, right? And next one, pyramid effect. And again, just click on extrude effect, and here we use block like structure. You can go with that, and you can also increase the size of pixel and depth of the pixel by using this. So here the different properties of the particular extrude effect, just set it and click on OK. You will get the effect like this. It is the block like structure. You can observe here like this. It is just like a building block like structure. It is appearing from the bottom to top like this. Okay, just like a building. When we take a look over the building, right? So this is the use of which option? Stylize. Next one, here we have the next option, that is the find edges. Just click on find edges. You just find the edges and click on this, and you can just take the look like this. It look like that. It is just like a trace images of the particular flower. It will hide the proper color. It will show only the edges of the flower. Okay, only the ridges of the flower, nothing else. Clear? So it is one of the best effects by using this stylize option, right? So this is the use of which option? Find edges. You just repeat these edges. It will more darker, and you can get the particular proper look of your image like this, right? So this is the use of which option? This is the use of stylize option. But here we use stylize which option? Find edges. Okay, next one, solarize. When you click here, solarize, it will more darker like this image. So it will give a solarize effect by using this. It becomes more solarize or more hard color or hard pixel or a dark pixel with your image, like inversion of the particular color, right? So this is the use of which option? Solarize effect of the solarize. And next one is a tiles effect. Just click on this, and here we have the option by which we can just set the number of tiles. So here, just type here 25, and you can just increase the offset. Just type here 20 and click on OK. You will just see there like this. Here we get the red color. Why here we get the red color in this particular block? Because here the red color is set here. Okay. So here we just change the color like this. Here we set the white color and just click on OK. And again, we just go with there and just again do the same process. Just click on slice and click on tiles. Not on that. Just click on filter and here we click on slice and here the option is tiles, right? And just click on this. Here the background color. If we set the background color, that's why it comes white between the blocks. Just click on OK. You will get the white color between the blocks like this, right? This is the effect of which option? Block with white background. If we want to go with the next background foreground color, just double click here and just change the color of this particular section, just like this red. And again, we just move on this this option, filter, and click on slice option. And here we use which option? Tiles option. But here we choose what? Foreground color. Just click on foreground color. We will get the foreground color like this. The foreground color is red. That's why it's coming like red color between the blocks. Clear here? Next option.
Yes.
Again here. And here we have the next option, that is the tiles option. And here the third property, that is the inverse image. Just click on this and click on OK. It will inverse the image color. Okay. Similarly, we do that next process by using the same process, but we have selected here. We just select here. Which option? Last one. That is the unaltered image. Just click on this and click on OK. You will get the image, but here the blocks come with the same pixel of the image. There is nothing to fill the particular with a different color. It will fill with the same color or same image in the form of blocks. The serial. Here the blocks come with the same color, right? So that is the use of there are the different properties of the slice option, that is tiles. Okay, so we can set any property for our tiles property. Next one, the trace counter. Just click on trace counter. You will get the same effect as I told in the embossing, or just click on this and you can also set the level like this, right? So these are the different tracing element by which we can get the trace of the particular image, and click on lower or upper edges. You can go with anyone, and after that just click on OK. You will get this types of effect just like this. Okay, so it is just like a watermark effect. You can want to just give the watermark effect for the particular text, you can go with that option. Otherwise, we don't need to this option. Clear? So here we have the next option, that is the wind effect. Just click on this. There is some wind effect coming like that. It will shift the pixel from the left and right movement like this. If you just use the wind effect from the right side, it will moving like that. That's here. When you repeat this function, just press Ctrl plus F. It will repeat, and you see here a wind coming from the right to left, and it gives these types of look, right? We can also set these types of effect with the text as well, right? In the fire effect, I have already told about this fire effect, you know, fire effect.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go with the next tool. Here we just click on the slice, and here we use again wind effect, but here we have the blast option. Just click on this blast option and stagger properties. So you can choose any property from this, either wind or blast, or you can go with that blast and stagger. And here we can set the direction either from the left to right, or from the left to right, or right to left. Just click on left. It will be moving from left to right like this, and press Ctrl plus F to repetition of the same step like this. Okay, when you just again and again, it looks like a wind effect coming from the left to right. Clear? This is the use all about of which option? All about Digitalize option. You just try all these options, that is a diffuse, emboss, extrude, find edges, solarize, tiles, trace counter, and wind. You have already studied these topics. Just go with the next, that is Sharpen tool. It is one of the most important tool, because by this option we can refine the edges or just clear the image by using this. Just click on Sharpen tool and just again repeat the same step. Ctrl plus F for the repetition of the same step. You see there, the edges will more sharper and more clear. Okay, understood? When you use Ctrl F, just see there, the something is sharp in this section. Just press Ctrl F, it becomes more sharper and more sharper, but we just set little bit sharper, not more than that will defect the particular image properties, right? So just do a little bit 1 or 2 times, nothing more than that for the proper sharpness, right? And again, we just go with the next option, that is click on sharpness, and here the option is sharpen edges. It will sharp the edges. It will sharp the edges. That is this is the edges like this. This is the edges. Okay, just press Ctrl plus F. Just see here, the outline of the image will be more clear than the previous one. Just click here. Just see there. It works with the edges, not the other than the area. Just see there. The edges is affecting here, right? So it will work on edges, not any other image. Okay. And next one, that is the sharpen more. Just click on this and we'll take all the image for the sharpness. Just press Ctrl+F. It will make more sharper, hold the image by using this, right? So this is the effect of this.
Yes,
Take this types of effect. If you want this type of effect, you can go with that. Next one, just click on here, and here we have the next tool, that is the Smart Sharpen. Just click on this. Here we have the properties by which we can adjust the sharpness of the particular image. Just see there. When we just move here, the sharpness will decrease. When we click here, the sharpness will increase here. And here we can set the radius of the pixel. Just see there. Okay, so you just see that the clearness will increase by using the radius like this, and we will get the clearance in this particular image like this. Just say, click on OK. Just see there. It is more clear than that the previous one. Okay, each and every edges of this flower will highlighting here. Clear? Next one, just click on here and again just click on Sharpen, click on a Smart Sharpen tool. And just see there are different properties also available there. Just click on advanced, and here we have the shadow area. It will work with the shadow ridges, shadow area. It will sharpen the shadow region of the image, not the other than that. So see there, here the shadow region, this is the shadow region. So when we just increase or decrease, it will work in this particular section, nothing other than that, right? And here we can set the tonal width. Just see there, is it appearing or not? So see there, when we just moving here, you can see here.
yes, sir, it's appearing.
That is the tonal width. And here the radius, if you want to just increase this radius, you will get the different types of effect. Okay, so these are the all about only for the sharpness. And here third one, that is the highlight. It will work with the highlighted part of the image, highlighted pixel of the image like this. This is the shining part of the image, that is meaning of highlighted part of the image. And when you just increase here, it will more increase, and just click on the tonal part. We will work with the edges where the ridges is appearing. That is the meaning of highlighted areas, right? This is the properties by which we can set it by using advanced property of the Sharpen tool. Clear? There are three properties: sharpen, shadow, and highlight. We can work with the three properties of the particular image. And next one here with the next option, we have the next option, that is unsharp. Just click on unsharp image, and you can also set the properties which make the more clear. When you just increase and you just decrease, it is become more flattened, more dull image by using this, right? Understood? So that is the use of unsharp the image, and it makes the image more dull and unclear than the previous one. So these are the properties by which we can just modify our image. Either we go with the Sharpen tool with adjustment of the sharpness of the image. There are different properties also available with that Sharpen tool. And next one, that is the Stylize, right? And next one, that is the render option. It is one of the important options because we can set the different types of cloud property of the image. For example, just see here. Here we close this image and just take another image like this. Just take this image like this and click on open, right? And after this, just select this particular outer area by using which option? By using magic wand tool. Just click on this, and here's a magic wand tool, and click on this. It will automatically select except the flower. And then we have the next option. Just click on this render option, and here the cloud effect. Just click on cloud effect. Just see there, the red and white color mixing with that and gives the different types of cloud effect. But we want to just set the blue and white. Then we need to just firstly move on the previous step, and here we have to set the color for that property. Just see here. Here we just increase the property like this bluish color, or you can set little bit sky color like this, and click on OK. And after that, just go with the property render and click on cloud. You will get this type of effect, right? So it's look like a cloud,
yes,
right? So that is the property by which we can set the cloud of the particular image. And here's the difference cloud. Just click on this. It will invert the particular color as we selected here. Okay, white becomes black and will invert. You know very well with your options. Okay, and you just invert the particular, just arrange the inverse option. You will get the reverse color or inverse color of the particular section or particular series. Clear? And go with the next option, that is the filter. And here we have the next option, that is the fiber effect. Just click on this. There are fiber look like structure coming with that, and click here and click on OK. Just see there, this is the fiber like structure coming with that. Here we can also set the color with that, because we have the two color here, the sky blue and white. That's why it is coming like that. But we set here the background as a red, and we will get this property as a red when we just do the same process again like this. We will get the red property like this, red with bluish color. Okay, so we can set the property here by changing the color, and after that just repeat the same process. You will get the different effect like this. And we can also set adjust the strength, just minimize this just zoom out, and after that you can easily observe which types of look you will get after applying this property. Just here, white with red color, and just increase the strength, it will look like that. And if you just click on randomize, it will automatically select anywhere from the particular section like this, right? Just see there. So these types of paper effect you will get around the image as you select it, right? In the selected region, we will work with that. You can give the background for the image like this. And next one, just click on here and again render, and here's the next option, that is a lens flare effect. It is one of the best tool for the lens effect. Just click on this. Here we can set the different angle for the light like this. Here we set the light. You can just adjust this and click on OK. You will get these types of effect on your image, right? And press Ctrl+D. It will look like that. If you don't like this, just go with the next property. Just click on this. And here with the render option, that click on the again lens flare. And there are 4 properties available there. That is a 35 mm prime. And just click on this. You will get the different look of this lens flare like this, right? And again, just go with the next. Just click and click on render option. And again, just click on this and choose the next one, that is more shiner. Just click on OK. You can also just drag it. You will get the particular position where you want to place this image, where you want. Just click on this and click on OK. You will get these types of light, right? So these are the different properties by which we can just adjust this property. That is the render property and lens flare effect by using render, and click on render, lens flare, and third one, last one, that is the movie prime. You can go with that and place your position like this. It will gives the different shining with the different lines color like this. Just see there, some lines also coming with that. So these are the different effects by using this, and after that just deselect the image by using Ctrl+D, or just use the deselect property from this section. Clear? Clear here?
Yes, sir.
So after doing this, you will just try all the options. Clear? And if you have any problem, just ask.